Weather first with meteorologist Joshua Rivas.
Alrighty, and good Monday, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your Monday, or at least trying to. I mean, it really almost is a gloomy type of day. A lot of clouds around the area, mostly cloudy skies. We had fog to start out the day, and then we'll see clouds continue on this afternoon. Showers and storms, yeah, they're possible, but mainly towards the inland areas yet again along that sea breeze. So the way we're playing it out, again, mostly cloudy, really through tomorrow as well. The only difference tomorrow is there's a possibility that we'll see a batch of heavy rain in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico move into our area. Again, a big question mark, but it's certainly possible, and that will increase our rain chance for tomorrow. Wednesday, the rain chances remain in the forecast due to a stalled front in our neck of the woods and a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Later in the week, by Thursday and Friday, that front begins to dissipate a little bit and will bring up the rain chance slightly. Again, it's still going to be in the forecast, but a lot less than, say, compared to today and tomorrow. It will also turn breezy Thursday and Friday and set the stage for a potentially wet weekend. So local model here showing off the rain chances. Again, mainly inland and along our coastal waters. Rain out in the Gulf of Mexico, rain out towards the east coast along that sea breeze. As we go into the overnight hours, some clouds around. It looks like we'll develop some fog as we go into the morning. We did it this morning. We'll do it again for Tuesday morning possibly as well, with very light winds in the forecast. Now by tomorrow afternoon, again, notice all the rain out in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico. Potentially, yes, it could move towards the coast. On the other hand, it potentially could not. I mean, today we've seen most of the rain in the Gulf of Mexico dissipate before it reaches the coastline. So again, it could reach the coastline. It may not reach the coastline. Not set in stone, but it's certainly a possibility. And because most of our models are in agreement with this idea, I've upped the rain chance just a little bit for your Tuesday afternoon. Wednesday will start out mostly clear, or at least partly cloudy as we go into your Wednesday, with the rain chance still in the forecast. At the surface, area of low pressure well towards our north, not really doing too much for us. Surface high pressure developing over the northeast, not directly over us, so we continue with the clouds, but we'll develop that south southerly wind continuing over the next few days. Next storm system shapes up later in the week, stays well towards our north, does not come close to us, and then we're left with the tail end of that with a front dangling over our area, stalled again for Saturday and Sunday. And if we look at the moisture maps here, notice how all the greens stick around the next few days. Maybe a slight decrease late Wednesday going to Thursday and Friday, but then by Saturday and Sunday, notice here's where that front is. It's not over the panhandle like it was this past weekend. Instead, it's right over our area, and a ton of moisture in the atmosphere as we go into this coming weekend. So if this stays the same as the trend has been going the past few days, and we see agreement in the models, it could be a potentially very wet weekend coming up with a potentially locally heavy rainfall. In the upper levels here, again, no real changes. We're not seeing a trough digging down. We're not seeing a ridge of high pressure coming in and drying us out. Instead, we're still right in between, staying warm, we're staying humid, and we still have the rain chance just about each and every day. Temperatures for today will top out again in the low to mid 80s as you go further inland. A few peaks of sunshine possible, but overall, mostly cloudy. Chance of rain, best chance is going to be inland. For tonight, fog is possible, slight chance of a shower mainly early in the evening. Temperatures ranging from the mid-60s inland to low 70s near the coast. Again, still feeling very humid. As we go the rest of today for the waters, a chance of showers and storms. Again, we saw that in our local model. We'll see some showers out in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico, potentially reaching our coastal waters. So I put the caution flag out there for that exact reason. Otherwise, water conditions not all that bad. For the beach forecast, same thing. Light winds turning westerly behind the sea breeze, surf 1 to 2 feet, and the sunset at 7:46, although there's a lot of clouds around, so I don't know how much of a sunset we'll actually see. 7-day forecast, we're looking at the rain chances again, 30 to 40% through Wednesday. Slight decrease on Thursday and Friday, turning breezy. Temperatures in the 80s through the next 7 days. Lows increasing back to near 70 degrees yet again. And then for next weekend, I have that rain chance, 30 to 40%. But again, if the trend continues, I will likely increase that rain chance as we go over the next few days or so. That's it for now. The web weather update is coming up later on today.